Ever feel like you missed that perfect split second of action? The winning goal, the peak of a jump, or that fleeting expression? Your Nikon D3500 has a powerful hidden weapon against missing the moment: burst mode, also known as continuous shooting. By default, your camera is likely on single frame shooting. This means it takes one photo every time you press the shutter button. To unlock burst mode, simply turn your camera's mode dial to the C position, which stands for continuous. See this C? That's your ticket to capturing sequences of photos. Now, when you half-press the shutter button to focus, you'll hear a subtle click, indicating the camera is ready. When you fully press and hold the shutter button, your Nikon D3500 will fire off a rapid stream of images, capturing everything that happens while you hold it down. This is perfect for action shots, like sports, wildlife, or even your kids at play. You're essentially taking a mini-movie of the moment, giving you multiple opportunities to get the sharpest focus, the best expression, and the most impactful composition. After you've captured your burst, you can scroll through the images on your camera's playback screen and select the absolute best one. Remember to switch back to single-frame shooting when you're done capturing fast action, so you don't accidentally fill your memory card too quickly. So go out there, switch to C, and never miss that perfect moment again.